Usually when you think of factoring, this is what you think of. X squared plus 3x minus 28. We are factoring a trinomial, and this is a large part of your Algebra 2 class. So let's dive in and practice this one. When you have a trinomial, you're going to take your first term and multiply it by your last term. So we have a 1x squared and a negative 28. So we're going to multiply those together and we get negative 28. Now what you're going to do is list, or you can do this in your head, but sometimes it helps to write it down. You're going to list all the factors of negative 28. So that could be negative 1, 28. 1, negative 28, negative 2 and 14, 2 and negative 14. It could be negative 4 and positive 7. It could be positive 4 and negative 7. Now I want you to notice all my numbers here. The distance between my pairs is getting closer and closer. So 4 and negative 7 are really close together, like not the negative, just the 4 and the 7, which means you're near the end of the road when it comes to your factors. The next two numbers possible would be 5 and 6, and they're not a factor of 28. Now, we need to figure out which one of these pairs adds to give me positive 3. Whatever factors multiply to give me negative 28, they also have to add to give me the middle number. Well, negative 1 and 28 doesn't work. In fact, none of these get close to it until I get to the end. Negative 4 and 7 are actually the pair that add to give me positive 3. So now I know how to factor this trinomial. First, draw two parentheses. How does x squared split up evenly? X times x. And now we can plug in the negative 4 and the positive 7 as the two values in my binomials. And that is how you factor a trinomial. I hope this helps, and be sure to check back later for another example.